gonna be making slime at Grandma's house. So first, we're gonna start off with the glue. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna need is shaving cream. So you should do as much shaving cream as you did for the glue. Oh, gotta shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Gotta shake some more. Okay, next you'll mix it. Okay, so after you mix it, you're gonna add some food coloring. So, what color should we do? Let's do a green for St. Patrick's Day. So here it is. I want it to be a dark green, so we're gonna Grandma, do the borax. Get your grandma to do the borax. So then you mix it around. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, then you got a really pretty color. Next, you're gonna add some borax. So you gotta put a teaspoon of borax in, 1 teaspoon, and then add hot water to it, and you'll get activator. So you put some in. I'm gonna put some on my hands so my hands don't get sticky, even though I'm pretty sure they still will. Okay. Ooh, it's nice and fluffy. We'll put some more activator in it. Roll up my sleeves. You just gotta keep adding borax so it's not sticky anymore. Oh gosh, this sounds really sticky. What the heck? Spotted a plate. Perfect. So we'll just do this activator again. Okay, once it's good, we'll let it dry in a bowl. Okay, so let it dry in there for 1 minute while we put the food coloring away. And we'll put the lid back on. Ooh, let's put some shaving cream in it. But you don't have to put shaving cream in it. But if you want to, you can. It's just for fun. Okay, let's let it dry a bit more. And let's go put the food coloring away. Okay, now let's put the glue away. make sure it's tight on there. Okay. Put the glue back. Let's go. Put the borax and the shaving cream away. Okay, the slime is nice and dry now. Oh, and don't forget to throw away this. And then you'll have this really nice stretchy slime.